This is Realme Narzo 50A Prime, codename RMX3516. And here in the dialer menu, you can check its IMEI by dialing *#06#. And here you can see that all the IMEI number 1 and IMEI number 2 are changed to 222, 33333 and so on. So in this video, we are going to repair the IMEI of this Realme Narzo 50A Prime. So without any further ado, let's jump into. First, power of this phone. By the way, this is Salman and you are watching Zitalisis. Download this SPD Write IMEI tool R3.0.0001.zip. Extract it on the desktop. I already extracted on my desktop. Open this folder. I will place all the links in the description so you can easily download from the description below. Open this tool from here, Write IMEI tool. Close the folder. Now from here on set. Check on IMEI 1 and 2 and uncheck this IMEI CRC check and uncheck this Save IMEI, uncheck this Prevent the IMEI Reuse. Keep settings like this. Now click on Save. Now from here type any IMEI. So just for demonstration I am typing 4444 and 555 for the IMEI 2 field. So after that, before hitting this write, first grab a USB cable, plug this end of the USB cable into the mobile phone, but the other end must be unplugged from the PC side. So here it's plugged now, but the other end is unplugged right now. This phone has a UNISOC chipset, so you must have the UNISOC drivers installed properly in order to repair its IMEI. I will place the links of all the drivers in the description, so you can also download the drivers from the description too. So to check the connection with the PC, open the device manager by Windows X, then M key simultaneously, resize on the desktop. Keep this port as USB. Now start the process. Once you are ready, just hit this write. Now quickly plug the USB on the PC port and just wait a few seconds. And here you hear the beep sound of its connection. In a few seconds you will see the connection in this device manager too. And here you can see the SPRD U2SD ARCHCOM7 is connected now with the PC. From here on this screen you can see the pass screen. So it's a moment of joy for us. So now we have to disconnect the phone. We have finished our process at all. So from here remove this USB cable. Now if this phone does not reboots normally, just press and hold this power and the volume up key for a few seconds and the phone will boot into the system normally. And here you can see that the logo appeared. It's now booting in the system. Wait until it lands on the home screen. Now from here we can confirm the IMEI repair process. Now again we dial *#06# and here you can see that the IMEIs are repaired to 4444 and the IMEI 2 is repaired to the 5555. So this all was the demonstration purposes. You must put the original IMEIs that are printed on the box of the phone. At the end of this video, I will give you a pro tip that this method and this software also works on other SPD and UNISOC based chipsets. So you may try this software on other SPD and UNISOC chips too. I really hope that you enjoyed this content. So if you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to hit the subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next. So until then, keep smiling.